Alright, so this is my first time at Nob Hills. I hope that I'm going the right way here. It is quite windy and quite cloudy. It's not too bad temperature wise. It's like 57, but my gosh, it feels like it's more like 47. It's a little bit chillier with this wind chill. Anyways, I'm gonna go explore a little bit, see what this place has. It's right across from Northshore, so hopefully it will it'll have some good stuff on it. Ooh, it looks like this is sort of a downhill section here. Yeah, I assume this is the right way. I actually don't know. Okay, I think this is the right way. The sign tells me this is the right way. Ooh, skinny. There we go. Hell high, low water. Okay, cool sign. Let's see what it has. I sort of see what it means. Maybe that's like the water. This is the high. Not exactly sure. It's cool though. I don't know how there's so much wind coming at me right now though. Trailhead. Loop 3, this is where I want to go. Beavers at work. Caution. Huh. I don't see this. Oh, actually, look at that. There are beavers here. Look at that tree. It's a beaver tree. Yeah, wow. All right. I don't see dams, but definitely evidence of beavers. They say beavers here running water, it's their natural instinct to start trying to build, prevent that water from flowing. It's very interesting. This looks sort of cool. Oh wow, look at that. Okay, now we're in the marsh. That's sort of cool. But there are snakes there during the summer. All hibernating right now though. The skinny. Alright. I only like skinnies. Oh wow, that is skinny. Ah, so close. Well, I guess that was the gnarliest thing out here. Maybe. Even though this also looks pretty chunky. Oh, another downhill. Oh, there's some baby heads. This section's really taking my energy away. Wow. This looks like a challenge. There we go. Burn, baby. Ooh, wow. That's cool. That's a cool section. Oh, that's soft. Not as soft as I would think. Two big berms. The oasis. The rail gun. Ooh. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, jump. Woo. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, wow. I'm not gonna be able to clear that. Oh, wow. One heck of a climb here. See more of that volcanic or sandstone or something there. It's cool. Oh, it's just a, oh yeah. No, I'm not doing a bypass. Did the bypass to be shorter. This looks like fun. There we go. Interesting. I have to assume this is the right way. No bypass. Bypass okay. Bypass take too much time.